given the expansion that the railways has been going on today, we run around 54 trains in a day. That is Mail Express and passenger trains, and we have another 16 trains of freight trains which run on our system on a day. So today our line today is saturated. We are running about 100% above our capacity. So these are the issues issues and challenges with the Honorable Minister and our CMD had, the challenges which they had to face. So to look at capacity, what we have done, what are the projects that we have taken up now and which will be coming in the future, I would just like to list it out. What we have done is today our stations are quite at around 12.75 kilometers apart. The further the stations, the less the more time the trains take to cover that distance. So the lesser trains we can now run. So to add capacity to the number of trains we can run, what we have done is we have a new project coming up where 10 new stations are being introduced onto our system, and then we had new additional lines so that we can accommodate more trains. This project is the cost is around 223 crores. I'm happy to announce already the work on all these stations have started and it is in progress. We are also doing doubling at the north side of a line, that is in Maharashtra between Roha Veer, for about 46.89 kilometers. This cost is around 410 crores. This work has also commenced. We are also in the progress of electrification of our entire line, wherein we'll save costs on diesel and the efficiency of operations also becomes better. Again, this cost is around 1,110 crores. Another issue which Konkan Railway had is today we are not connected to a port per se. So even though in Goa we have a notional connectivity to a port, that is the Vasco port, we have a Jaigarh port in Maharashtra. We have formed a JV with JSW Corporation to have a rail link to that port so that we generate freight traffic from that port. That is a 33.7 kilometer line and the cost is around 772 crores. That work also has commenced. The process of acquisition has commenced. We are also looking at opportunities for freight traffic in other areas, in other states. In Karnataka, near Mangalore, we are setting up a freight siding which will give us freight traffic again. The cost is at 82 crores. It is being built for the Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemicals Limited. This work also has started. In Maharashtra, we are also setting up for Central Railway a rolling stock component factory at Lote. In Goa, specific to Goa again, we are setting up a multimodal logistics park in collaboration with Konkan, which is another railway company. With the cost is around 42 crores. The work has already commenced. We hope to commence the operations in this multimodal logistics park probably by the end of this year or early next year. In fact, this is an excellent facility which is being developed for industry in Goa, where what you could do, where you could have container traffic moving right up to the ports in JNPT. The effort is to set up a customs bonded warehouse where every a customer need not have his goods examined after it reaches JNPT port. Once he loads the container here, all formalities including customs formalities will be completed here, and if the container is for export, it goes to the port and gets directly exported. So it will save on cost. That is why we are developing this facility, and this is being done in collaboration with Konkan. If you look at the whole investment that is happening on all these projects, which I have said, which have already started or are in the process of starting, it's close to around 3,000 crores. We have renovated all the toilets, and we were one of the first stations to have Wi-Fi facilities over this country. We have also started a new facility called through Nestle. You can have Maggi noodles in our station. So we have Nestle has provided food stalls at these stations. Now what is already on is what construction is already happening. We are having a new food court coming up at Margao. Then, like I said, this new platform facility. We are also shifting our PRS, the public passenger reservation system. One goes for ticketing is on the first floor. We are now shifting it to the ground floor for easier access. We are also developing a new AC lounge uh, in collaboration with IRCTC, which is another sister railway company. We are also providing stainless steel benches to all our waiting rooms. Then one other area of concern was the surfacing of platforms. We are providing vacuum dewatered concrete platforms. Then we have gone in for LED lighting, and we are going to set up a unique. We have put up a rail coach restaurant. In fact, we have shifted one of the one railway coach, and we have put it on for we are developing it as a restaurant. Somebody will operate it, but this is another unique thing which we are doing in Goa. At Karmali, we are adding new shelters and bio toilets. At Tivim station, what we have done is we have added 2 new loop lines to cater for additional trains. We have added one high level platform, a new footover bridges. We have created a new entry, but work in Tivim is in progress. There is some more work to be done that is going on. We have created a direct access to the platform. We renovated the waiting halls there. We've enhanced parking capacity, provided new ATMs, and again through Nestle we have provided a food stall. Pedname is another station where we are working on. We are extending the platforms of 1 and 2 because it had to accommodate longer trains. We have provided new shelters, water pedestals, waiting rooms. We are changing the flooring there, and we are resurfacing the approach roads and providing new platform shelters. Again, what is unique on Konkan for passenger safety and security, we have introduced a CCTV system for 17 17 stations across our system, and this system is provided in Margao. So we have a 24/7 monitoring of the CCTV cameras provided in Margao. On 9/2/2017, with presence of the Honorable Minister, we have signed an MOU with the Hagerbach Test Gallery Switzerland, with whom we will be collaborating to develop training in this Tunnel Technology Institute. What we would like to look at is, if you look at capacity doubling and other areas of work, the amount of investments that the railway will be putting in is quite huge for this area, and we hope that the challenges that have been posed on, we'll be able to meet those challenges and take forward this railway further in providing better services, and also we are able to introduce more trains, improve our amenities, etc.